Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Anshik from Ace Arts and today we'll be drawing Spider-Man. You can call it hybrid Spider-Man, that's what I like to call it. So for the base layer, I like to use phthalo blue, and also I'd like to thank you guys for 100 subscribers. It means a lot to me. Next, we'll be using black color for the darker areas. Then we'll be using blue turquoise for blending with the base layer so you could get the medium tone in it. And now to give it even more depth, we'll be using Neptune blue to mix and blend with black color. Now I'll be using white to blend all the colors together. I'll use warm gray 10% for the eyes. Now we'll continue same with the neck area. I'll use black color for creating more depth and distinguish between different colors. Now for the other side, I will start with black color, coloring the spider symbol. Outline the Spider-Man's webs. Now I begin to cross hatch with white color to give some texture. And now I'll begin with scarlet red. I'll use white to blend color, and I'll go over with scarlet red. I'll use pale Journum Lake to outline it to give it more depth. Then I'll use deep scarlet red for the more darker areas.